In this video, I will walk you through some essential steps to troubleshoot if you're having trouble adding or inviting friends in Monopoly Go. First and foremost, make sure you have the latest version of Monopoly Go installed on your device. So head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, check for updates and install them if available. Now, if you don't see an update button, then consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This can often resolve any glitches or issues, so just simply follow the standard process for uninstallation, then reinstall the app from the respective app store. Next one is if you're trying to invite friends within the app and it's not working, you can try to explore alternative methods such as try sharing game codes or inviting friends through your device friend list. Sometimes these workarounds can be effective. Lastly, if the problem persists, don't hesitate to reach out to Monopoly Go's customer support as they specialize in providing assistance for platform-specific issues, and they can offer guidance tailored to your situation. So feel free to share your concerns with them for more personalized resolution. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.